Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm going to show you in this video how to clean your PS5. My PS5 is always crashing. That's been suddenly shut down and too much, you can see dust. So I'm going to show you how to clean this, and after you will have your PS5 very new. So guys, firstly I'm going to show you how to open your PS5. You have to take this down and remove the screw. Just easy. Okay, that's done. Now you can turn your PS5 where you have the logo. In the part where you have the logo, you just have to up a little bit and after move on the left. Okay, done. Now you have all this part to clean, and also here you can, with the wipe, you can remove this dust. It's always important to move the maximum dust because it's this problem. The PS5 is going too much hot and crashing. So just clean the maximum the video. Now you can turn in the other side. Okay, now I have in front of me for the disc, and in the back the power, the USB. Okay, I'm going to up here and move on the right. Okay, done. And here, like before, clean up here the maximum, clean up here the maximum. And if you can also open this in the other side. If you have the tools to open this, you can open this and clean inside the ventilator. Okay, or here you can also trying to open, and inside the ventilator you can remove all the dust you have. So guys, it was easy, simple. In this way you can remove all the dust and enjoy to play with your PS5. The PS5 is a very heavy machine, so you have to clean this every 6 months, or after 1 year you can clean, and after you can enjoy your game. So hope this video was helpful for you. Like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.